Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting laptop to review, the HP OMEN 17-inch laptop. Packed with impressive features, this laptop is a powerhouse designed to elevate your gaming and computing experience. Let's dive into the details. Design. Starting with the design, the HP OMEN 17-inch laptop boasts a sleek and stylish profile, featuring a durable shadow black aluminum chassis. It's a perfect blend of aesthetics and durability, making it an eye-catching device for both work and play. Display. The display on this laptop is truly stunning. The 17-inch Full HD screen provides immersive visuals with vibrant colors and sharp details. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or editing multimedia content, the HP OMEN's display won't disappoint. Processor. Under the hood, this laptop is powered by the Intel Core i7-12700H processor, delivering exceptional performance and speed. With its multi-core architecture and high clock speeds, you can handle demanding tasks with ease, from gaming to content creation. Memory. To ensure smooth multitasking, the HP OMEN comes equipped with 16 GB of RAM. This ample memory capacity allows you to run multiple applications simultaneously without any lag or slowdown. Storage. When it comes to storage, this laptop doesn't disappoint. It features a speedy 512 GB SSD, providing both ample storage space and fast boot times. You'll have enough room for your games, files, and multimedia content. Graphics. Gamers, listen up. The HP OMEN 17-inch laptop is equipped with the powerful NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 graphics card. It delivers incredible visual performance, allowing you to enjoy your favorite games in stunning detail and smooth frame rates. Keyboard and trackpad. HP understands the importance of a great typing experience, and that's why the OMEN laptop comes with a full-size keyboard featuring customizable RGB lighting. The precision trackpad is responsive and accurate, ensuring smooth navigation. Connectivity. Connectivity options on this laptop are plentiful. It offers a range of ports, including USB Type-C, HDMI, and USB-A ports, making it easy to connect to your favorite devices and peripherals. Speaker. Get ready for immersive audio. The HP OMEN 17-inch laptop features dual speakers tuned by Bang & Olufsen. The sound quality is exceptional, whether you're gaming, watching movies, or listening to music. Battery and cooling. With a powerful device like this, you need a reliable battery. The OMEN laptop comes with a long-lasting battery that can keep you going throughout the day. Additionally, its advanced cooling system ensures efficient heat dissipation, even during intense gaming sessions. Webcam. For all your video conferencing needs, the HP OMEN 17-inch laptop comes equipped with a high-definition webcam. Stay connected with friends, family, and colleagues with clear and crisp video quality. Operating system. Last but not least, the HP OMEN 17-inch laptop runs on the latest Windows 11 Home operating system. It offers a user-friendly interface, enhanced security features, and improved performance for a seamless computing experience. Conclusion. To wrap it up, the HP OMEN 17-inch laptop is a powerhouse designed for gamers and power users alike. With its impressive design, stunning display, powerful processor, ample memory and storage, exceptional graphics, and immersive audio, this laptop ticks all the boxes. It's a true gaming and computing beast. Specification table. That's a wrap on our review of the HP OMEN 17-inch laptop. We hope you found this overview helpful in understanding its design, display, processor, memory, storage, graphics, keyboard, trackpad, connectivity, speakers, battery life, cooling system, webcam, and operating system. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more tech content, and click the link in the description to purchase the HP OMEN 17-inch laptop from Amazon. Until next time, happy gaming and computing!